Listen, if you're doing cardio and you're trying to burn fat, for example, you don't want to burn muscle. And ketones are very low calorie. We've done studies where ketones seem to shift your fuel utilization to be more fat than carbohydrate. So if I'm doing like cardio, I'll have some ketones before to give me energy, usually some kind of charged or again, black label. And then during my workout, if I want to go longer, maybe I want to do a longer cardio session. After 30 minutes, you start to burn muscle. You start to tap into muscle a lot. We did a big study and we found that actually even after 20 minutes, you start to burn muscle when you do cardio. Look at it, marathon runners. They don't have a lot of muscle. It's an adaptation to endurance to burn through muscle. In fact, studies show that if you do just cardio to lose weight, your metabolism goes down. And basically we did a study that found after 20 minutes, you start to burn a lot of muscle. But if you take ketones during the workout, you spare muscle. So if I'm doing cardio, I'm trying to burn fat, I have ketones before, usually a charge, and then I have ketones. I sip on ketones during my workout. And then after, I want my muscles to repair. So I have the Keto OS, the Pro. So that's usually my routine pretty much almost every day.